What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie Renee and today I'm going to be putting together my Kardiel sectional. It was just delivered and I did opt for the option where they deliver it to a room, but you have to put it together. I got two massive boxes delivered to me. I measured my doors, I read all their information about what to do before delivery. When I measured my doors, I only had about 2 inches of wiggle room because these boxes are massive. So definitely do that, measure your doors in all your hallways. And it fits. So if you only have 2 inches, you're gonna be good because I was good. If you have been shopping for a sectional in this crazy inflation climate, hats off to you. The struggle is real. So ordering a sofa online, it's crazy. And I don't know if you should do it. We'll see if this was a good idea or bad. I know I'm quite brave, so I don't really know how this is gonna go, but at least you'll get to see it. When I was shopping for sectionals, I didn't know which one to get, and there wasn't very many videos, especially for this brand out for looking at. So I got your back if you're in the market and you like how the Kardiel design is. I'll definitely let you know how that goes. I'm also planning to do videos later regarding the customer service and delivery process. But let's get into putting this sofa together. All right, so the first thing I did was take everything out of the boxes. The boxes are huge. And then I laid them down and I'm gonna try to prop them up sideways so that I can go and put on the little legs because I think that's probably gonna be the hardest part. So I gotta grab my tools and put on those legs so that way I can see if everything's working properly. And if not, they did say you can reach out to them and let them know whether it's, you need something else or something is not up to standard. Super comfy on my new Kardiel sectional. So far, so good. I'll tell you guys, I'm showing you how the installation process went. Easiest part was screwing on those legs. That part went on like a dream. So that you totally got. The next step was a lot harder, getting those screws into the wood. I do have a toolbox, but I don't have any powered tools. And it would definitely go a lot easier if you have power tools. Also, you'll notice on the directions, they do list required people and they show 2 people. It would have been nice to have another person. I think it would definitely make it easier. I even ended up cutting myself when the needle slipped. So definitely be careful. It's not super easy to do, but you can do it. The feel of the sofa is great. I thought it was gonna be a little too firm, but I'm actually loving it, and I'm someone who prefers like a more plush feel, but it's a really great feeling. I do love that. And I also was concerned about the short pile velvet and how that would look in compared to regular, but like a longer pile velvet. But I think it's actually probably more premium this way with the shorter velvet. So I'm really happy with the sage color. It does have a little bit of a glow to it. When I got the swatch, it didn't look like it really glowed in the light at all, but it does have a nice little sheen to it. So that was definitely a good surprise. The fit, it feels great. Customer service has been great. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the customer service, the overall experience, as well as what happens when I get, my first stain on it. I mean, hopefully that doesn't happen for a long time, but I'm gonna catch you guys up on that as well. And stay tuned. If you're watching this video and a couple of weeks have gone by from posting to now, head over to my channel because I'm gonna have more on styling the sofa as well as the ordering process. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the sped up version of me putting this together. Again, I would recommend power drills, and please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel if this was helpful to you. And thank you guys, and goodbye.